In today's video, I will walk you through how to create forms on Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, access your Salesforce dashboard through the official Salesforce platform, where your account settings and setup tools are available. Once you are inside the dashboard, move toward the Quick Settings area located near the top right side of the screen. From there, continue by selecting the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This will take you into the main setup section where Salesforce allows you to manage different configuration options connected to your account. After the setup page finishes loading, move over to the Quick Find search bar located inside the setup menu. In the search field, type Web to Lead. As the search results appear, locate the option labeled Web to Lead and select it to continue into the form creation area. Once the Web to Lead section opens, continue by selecting the Web to Lead form option shown on the screen. This will open the form setup page where you can configure the form details before generating the final code. After entering the form setup area, move down to the Return URL field. In this section, enter the return URL you want Salesforce to use after the form is submitted. In this example, the return URL is entered as form.com. Make sure the address is entered into the correct field before continuing through the setup page. Next, continue to the Available Fields section. On the left side, Salesforce displays the fields that can be added to the form. To include a field inside the form, select it from the Available Fields list and move it into the Selected Fields section. In this example, the mobile field is chosen from the Available Fields list. After selecting the field, continue by clicking Add, so the mobile field moves into the Selected Fields area. You can repeat the same process for other fields shown during setup if needed. After the fields have been selected, continue scrolling down through the page until you reach the API key and reCAPTCHA section. If your site is already connected to Google and you have an API key pair available, enter the API key information into the fields provided by Salesforce. If you do not have an API key available, continue by selecting the option to exclude reCAPTCHA in HTML. After adjusting that setting, move down and select Generate. Salesforce will now generate the HTML code for the form. Once the code appears on the screen, copy the generated HTML and place it into your website where you want the form to appear. After the HTML has been added to the website, the form creation process is complete, and the Salesforce Web to Lead form will be ready to use with the selected fields and settings applied. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.